This is my first time of getting 1.6k watch hour in 1 hour on my live streaming after staying about like 10 months on YouTube. You know, in YouTube, getting a watch hour has been a very difficult one, especially new YouTuber like us. There are so many advice on YouTube. So many people will tell you to use restream.io. So many will tell you to post longer video. So many will tell you to do silent live streaming. We have tried all these things. I have tried all these things, and I cannot tell you that it's not working. It's working, but you will not get that result, that good result that you are looking for. You will not get it. You will get views, but not as much as the one you wanted, because they are not telling you some certain things. You know that in restream.io, even if you are using people's video or you are downloading free videos from Pizzo, during monetization, YouTube will still strike you for copyright, and then again you'll be wondering what type of video that you can put on Restream that will make people to stick on your video, that will make people to stay long on your video for you to gain that watch hour they are talking about. And sometimes even if you do your own video, like you posted your own video, within some minutes, within some hours, they will tell you that you lost connection and reconnecting, and that is the end of that live streaming. And when you check very well, you see that you have not gotten any view, like you have not gotten a lot of view on it, except you delete it and start afresh. Like, there are so many problems on restream.io. So that's what brings us to today's topic. If you stay to the end of this video, you are going to be learning 3 things that made me to gain 1.6k views, which gave me like about 20 something watch hour in that live streaming in 1 hour. Like, I have tried this and it works perfectly for me. So number one thing you are going to learn is the type of video that you are going to post for people to continue watching, like for people to continue staying on that channel, and for you to gain a lot of watch hour on that live stream. And the second thing you are going to be learning is you will learn the type of app that you will use, the 2 apps that I use that made me to gain this 1.6k view on that live streaming. The third thing you are going to be learning, which is the best one for me, is that you will learn how to double up your watch hour. Like, if people watch that video for 1 minute, you are going to gain 2 minutes on that video. So these are the 3 things you are going to be learning on this video. Just watch this video till the end and don't skip any part. Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please like, comment, share, and turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. So the first thing you are going to do is to make a video of yourself for like 15 seconds. Like, you make a video that either you are smiling or you are worried. Like, make a video that make people to ask you questions, so that you post it and people will assume that you are on live. Just try and make this video and save it on your phone before heading over to InShot to edit that video. So when you reach to InShot, import the video. After importing the video, go to speed and take it back to 50. Don't make it to be too fast or too slow. Just take it back to 50. I normally leave my phone at 50. So take it back to 50 and go to InShot watermark and remove it. Then export that video. If you have been using restream.io, you can just skip some part on this video so that you will get to the end of it, where I explain so many things that you will do while on live. But if you have not been using restream.io, you can watch this part and know how you go about it, how you will add your channel to restream.io. So watch this video till the end, because I'll be sharing my screen to explain everything. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, comment, share, and turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. I also have so many other videos that you can watch on how to gain your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. Click in the link in my description box and watch it.
In your browser, type in restream.io and set up your dashboard. You can sign up if you're a new user or continue with Google. Then choose the same email that you are using with your YouTube channel, so that you can be able to restream. You can be able to go live with that channel. Then allow access to your mic and your pictures. Then enter your studio. In here, just click on these three dots and import the video that you want to use as live stream. Then you import that video that we made that we are going to use on live stream. Before you go on live, just make sure that you are using this frame, because it tends to make your live to go more far, like for people to watch it more, because those people watching short videos will as well see your live. So after importing the video, then you click on this icon up there and add in your YouTube channel. So after adding in your channel, before you go live, you click on that video at the top, these three dots on that video, then put it on loop so that when it's finished it can start afresh. Then also tap on the volume so that you will mute the video, also mute the background of your video. So after that, you can put in your title, your description if you want, then you can put thumbnail if you want. Before you click on that go live, make sure that your phone is on do not disturb. Go to your phone menu and change the focus to do not disturb, so that you can be able to stream as much hour as you wanted, because if not, if calls come in, it will just cut, and that will be the end of that live streaming. So put your phone on do not disturb. So after that, you can click on go live. If you go live, all you have to be doing on that live is to answer people's question. Like, so many people will be asking you, why are your face like this, why are you laughing, or why are you doing this, or why are you doing, like, you make sure that you are answering them. So if you answer them, you are keeping them on that page. Just if the one you cannot answer, you just leave it, but make sure you answer as many as possible. This will make them to stick on that page. Some people will be thinking that you are on live, and answering them their question will also make them to stick on your page. So this is exactly what I did that made me to gain that views on for the first time on YouTube. So you can do it as well, you can try it as well. I'm just sharing what I did that made me to gain this view for the first time, and I gained 20 plus watch hour on that live streaming. So you can try it on your own and see how it goes for you.
So this is the end of today's video. I hope you find it interesting. See you in my next video.